Hey guys, Karina Gardner here, and today I've got a 1-minute quick tutorial for you. And by the way, if you want all of my stuff to come via email, all the freebies, all the quizzes, everything, you just need to go to karinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP and choose courses VIP, and you will get all the things every single Wednesday. For this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a swirl without using the pen tool or the pencil tool or any of the stuff. We're just going to make a quick spiral. So you need the spiral tool for this. So all you have to do is come over to your line segment tool, okay? And you need to click down hard with your mouse or right click on it or control click on it to get this menu and choose your spiral tool, okay? Now if I pull down, and I'm just going to pull, you can see that in blue there's a spiral that is forming. Really quick there, right? And we're going to take that spiral and we are going to use our width tool, okay? So I'm going to select it and highlight it. So once again, it's in blue, and I'm going to select it and highlight it with my width tool right here. So if I take it and I pull a bit on it, just like that, it changes the width. Okay, so easy, right? Now, if I want to make this end, you can't see this. I'm going to come in really close for you to take a peek at. This is tight enough that you can't see anything. Let's make really quick, I'm going to make another swirl. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger because I want you to see that little end piece right there. If I come in and I use this tool again, and maybe it goes the opposite direction. Maybe it's like this, okay? And I've made that width different. You'll notice I have a rounded end. The reason I have the rounded end, and you might not, is because of my stroke. So go to Window and go to Stroke, and you can see I've chosen a rounded end cap, okay? If you want a clean end cap, you're going to choose that one. If you want a rounded end cap, then this is the one. Okay, I said this is going to be 1 minute. It ended up being a couple of minutes, but the point is this is fast. This is something you can do really quickly if you want to start making swirls, and you can add on to this with your pencil or your pen tool or whatever else, okay? I hope you got a lot from it. I'm excited for you to learn to be a designer. I'll see you guys later.